Everyone tells you a new car is the only real upgrade. They're wrong. 16 Amazon gadgets prove it, and they cost less than one payment. This is GEARHOUND I'm Marcus. I don't do dealership hype. You need a $60,000 SUV to feel modern. What I do is hunt down the smartest car gear on Amazon, the stuff that actually solves problems, not the flashy junk sitting on shelves. Today's lineup, 16 gadgets that'll upgrade your ride, your safety, your daily commute without burning your wallet or your weekend. Links are all in the description if you want to grab any. Hit that subscribe button, the pack's growing every week. Let's get into it. Ever reach for your phone at a red light and it's just gone? Slid into that black hole between the seats, along with your keys, your card, and half a granola bar from last Tuesday. Yeah, that mess needs a boss. Meet the SunlightXS seat gap organizer. Waterproof PU leather. Wide mesh pockets. 2 upper straps plus 1 lower strap for a locked-in fit. Slide it in. Cinch the straps. Done in 90 seconds. Phone, wallet, sunglasses, cables, all right where your hand already reaches. And here's the sneaky part. It doubles as a pet barrier when the little troublemaker tries to jump up front. Real curator pick. This one earned its spot on the list before I even finished checking the specs. Backseat kids, dead phones, 3 passengers, 1 charging cable. Sound familiar? That's the road trip that ends with somebody crying, usually the parent. Time to fix it. The OHLPRO, 3-in-1 charging station. 36 watts of fast charge. 3 retractable cables, 1 lightning, 1 USB-C, 1 micro, 360-degree swivel, no tangles. No fighting, no wait, which cable is mine? Everyone plugs in, everyone stays online, everyone shuts up. It clips onto the back of the center console or hangs off the headrest, driver's choice. Uber and Lyft drivers already know. This one turns a boring backseat into a mobile charging hotel. Hold up, wait until you see number 7 on this list. That one's the reason this whole video exists. Keep watching. Every driver has that one lane change where the shoulder check felt sketchy. That half second where you're praying nothing's in the blind spot. And you don't want to be praying at 70 miles an hour. LivTee blind spot mirrors fix that. 2-inch frameless HD convex glass. 360-degree pivot mount. Silicone base won't peel off in summer heat or winter freeze. Peel, stick, angle, done. Under 2 minutes. Sold as a pair because both mirrors need the upgrade. Small piece of glass. Massive peace of mind. This is the kind of mod that costs less than a coffee run and prevents the kind of accident that costs everything. You know that moment. 95 degrees outside. You open the door and a wave of oven air smacks you in the face. Steering wheel too hot to touch. Seats burning through your jeans. Yeah, that's your car saying, I need help. The Magnelex sunshade delivers. Double layer 240T reflective fabric. 63 by 33.8 inches. Full windshield coverage. No cheap gaps at the edges. Blocks UV rays. Reflects heat. Folds down to nothing when you're done. Interior stays cooler. Dashboard doesn't crack. Seats don't fade. And the AC actually gets a fighting chance when you turn the key. Summer's brutal. This one takes the punch for you. Long drive, back seat passenger's head keeps falling forward, then snapping back like they're in a bad action movie. Wake up, sleep, wake up, sleep. Nobody's actually resting. The HEAPANY neck pillow solves that. Memory foam core 4 centimeters thick. 360-degree adjustable side supports that lock the head in place. Skin-friendly leather cover. Non-slip mount. Works for adults, works for kids. Real rest on long trips. No more waking up with a stiff neck at the rest stop. No more are we there yet from the back seat at hour 4. Quiet ride. Rested passengers. Sanity intact. Buy one for the passenger. Buy a second one before they steal yours. Trust me on that order. Grocery spill, sports gear rolls. Tools slide from one side of the trunk to the other every time you brake. And somewhere at the bottom of that chaos is the shopping bag you forgot about last Tuesday. Time to bring order. The FORTEM trunk organizer. 50 liters of capacity. 3 compartments. Rigid base meaning it actually stands up when empty. 600D Oxford fabric, the tough stuff that survives daily abuse. Non-slip base straps, adjustable tie-downs, fits sedans, SUVs, trucks, pretty much anything with a trunk. Groceries stay upright, tools stay put, trunk stops looking like a garage sale. This is the one, the mid-video hero. Picture this, empty road, middle of nowhere, phone signal 1 bar, and your tire is going flat by the second. No gas station in sight, no cavalry coming. Just you, the wind, and a slow leak that's about to become a big problem. This is exactly what the AstroAI L7 was built for. Cordless tire inflator, 150 pounds per square inches, max pressure. True gauge digital display updates 200 times per second. fills a car tire in a minute and a half, works on cars, motorcycles, bikes, sports balls. But here's where it gets real: 4000 mAh built-in battery, which means it also charges your phone. And it's a 3-mode LED flashlight: flat tire, dead phone, dark road. This one gadget handles all three. This right here is why the video exists. If nothing else on this list makes the cart, this one has to. Some people carry roadside assistance. Others just carry the AstroAI L7. Guess which one gets home first? Quick pit stop. Drop this in the comments while you're here. Would you rather spend 20 bucks on something that lasts a year or 200 on something that lasts forever? Real answer, not the polite one. Tell me which camp you're in. I read every reply. All right, back to the list. Kids in the back seat. Long drive. 90 minutes in and the I'm bored chorus starts. Tablets in tiny hands. Cracked screens. Sore arms. Fighting over who holds the iPad. Not anymore. The Lamicall tablet holder mounts to the headrest in seconds. Silicone-coated dual-arm clamp. Fits screens from 6.1 inches all the way to 13 inches, even with thick cases. 360-degree rotation. Kids pick their own angle. Parents get their arms back. Back seat becomes a mini theater. Long trips get bearable. And the little troublemakers actually let you drive in peace. Got an older car? No Bluetooth. No CarPlay. Just an aux port that half works in an FM radio playing the same 3 commercials in a loop. Meanwhile, every new car has a full media suite. JOYROOM closes the gap. 81 watts of total charging power, 45 WPD plus 36 WQC. That's Bluetooth 6, the newest generation. 2 microphones for crystal clear hands-free calls. Hi-Fi bass boost. 7-color LED accent. Plug it into the 12V socket. Pair your phone. Boom, your 2011 sedan just got music streaming, hands-free calling, and dual-device fast charging, all from one adapter smaller than your palm. This is how a $15 gadget turns an old car into a smart car. Here's a scary fact most drivers don't know. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time. Too much moisture, brakes fail exactly when you need them. And there's no warning light for it. The AUTOOL is 501 changes that. Cordless brake fluid moisture tester, 10-second read time. Supports .3, .4, .5, .5, 1, and ENV46. Basically every brake fluid on the market. 1 8-inch HD backlit display. 260mm stainless steel probe reaches deep into the reservoir. Before a long trip, before winter, before that mountain drive, dip the probe, wait 10 seconds, get an actual moisture percentage. Under 2% safe. Over 3% time for a flush. This is the tool that separates people who react to problems from people who prevent them. Remote work hit different in 2026. Meetings from the parking lot, emails between school pickups, lunch breaks turning into desk breaks because there's no desk. Mount It fixes that. Adjustable steering wheel laptop desk. 20.6 by 11-inch Surface laptop plus mouse room. Fits over the steering wheel or clips to the headrest for backseat use. Height and tilt adjustable. Lockable arms keep it stable. Sustainable material certification because that matters too. Truck cab becomes a mobile office. Sedan front seat becomes a lunch table. Digital nomads, delivery drivers, sales reps working between visits. This is where the workday actually happens now. Detail shops charge $200-300 bucks for a proper polish. Meanwhile, the paint on your hood is dulling every day it sits in the sun. Niusken says, do it yourself. Cordless 6-speed LED polisher, 2,800 to 5,800 revolutions per minute. LED display shows the speed. Dual 21V2000 mAh batteries runs long enough to do a full sedan. Orbital motion, no swirl marks, no burn spots, no beginner mistakes. 18-piece accessory kit included different pads for compound, polish, and wax. Whole thing weighs less than a bag of groceries. Detail shop finish. Home garage price. Sunday afternoon project turns into showroom quality paint. Warning, once you polish your car, you'll notice every other car on the block looking dull. Sorry in advance. Car theft is up in every major city. Insurance takes weeks. Cops file a report and shrug, and you're left staring at an empty parking spot wondering where your car went at 3 a.m. Spytec Atlas Mini says, not on my watch. GPS tracker. 14-day battery life on a single charge. Magnetic waterproof case sticks under the frame, invisible from every angle. Updates location every 5 seconds. Geofencing get an alert the second the car leaves the driveway. Time machine history mode shows every route it's taken. 4G global coverage across North America. Fleet managers use this. Rental car companies use this. Parents of new drivers use this. And now so do smart car owners who plan 2 steps ahead. Long road trip with kids. Everyone knows how that goes. First hour, all smiles. Second hour, tablets die. Third hour, chaos in the back seat. Fourth hour, nobody's speaking to each other. Ovleng fixes our 317. 3-inch flip-down ceiling monitor. Full HD 1080p display. 130-degree adjustable viewing angle. HDMI, USB, and SD card inputs plug in a phone, a console, a laptop, whatever. Mounts to the headliner. Kids in the back get a real movie theater. Parents in the front get quiet. Suddenly, the 12-hour drive to grandma's feels like a 2-hour flight with a full in-flight entertainment system. You know what nobody tells you about accidents? 90% of the fight is over what really happened. Whose fault? Which car changed lanes? Who ran the light? And without proof, insurance believes whichever driver talks louder. The WOLFBOX G930 ins. That argument: 10-inch touchscreen mirror dash cam, 4K front camera, 1080p rear camera, WDR night vision actual clarity in the dark, not blurry mush. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi pull footage straight to your phone in seconds. Built-in GPS logs speed and location on every clip. Replaces the standard rear view mirror. Records every second the engine's running. Insurance loves it, lawyers love it, and you love it the first time it saves you from a fake claim. This is the one. Save it for last for a reason. Because this single gadget doesn't just upgrade your car, it rewrites what your car is. The KOUENOM L7, 8-inch 4K CarPlay mirror dashcam. Wireless Apple CarPlay. Wireless Android Auto. Voice control. 4K front camera. 1080p rear camera. Loop recording. Reverse camera assist. 64 gigabytes memory card in the box. Replaces the rear view mirror. Full touchscreen. Now your 2014 Honda has a bigger, smarter dashboard than a brand new Tesla. Navigation, music, calls, hands-free Siri or Google, dash cam, backup cam, all on one screen. This is the closing move. This is why the list ended here. Any car, old, new, cheap, luxury, becomes a 2030 machine the second this goes in. That's the 10x promise from the title, right here. Fair warning, after this one goes in, your friends will stop making fun of your old car. Then they'll ask to borrow it. That's 16. That's the list. Every single gadget handpicked, every price checked, every problem it solves is a real one. All the Amazon links are down in the description. No fluff, no filler, just the exact products you saw. If you made it this far, drop the number of your favorite in the comments. And if you're not subscribed yet, the pack drops new gear every week and you're missing the best finds. Hit subscribe, ring the bell. I'll see you in the next hunt.